Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to take you on a very interesting journey. Ostriches sitting on eggs, breeding, and it's middle of winter, it's July, and they're not supposed to have even eggs, but they are sitting and breeding. I'm going to head down there and have a look at the eggs and see if they are still good or not. The reason why I haven't posted a lot of videos lately is because of the fact that I can't get into the block with the buffaloes and the ostriches, because the ostrich male are very angry and dangerous. I need to get in there and have a look, because the hens that sit on the eggs, they don't eat while they're sitting on the eggs, and they're losing condition in the middle of the winter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over there, take you with me on this journey, and hopefully we can remove the eggs if they're not good. If they are good, then I will leave them there for them. But it's middle of winter, so I'm not sure if the chicks will survive. It's one of those days today, wind and rain. So let's get going and see what we can find. I just want to explain to you all that it's the middle of winter, and it's New Zealand is wet and cold and rainy in the winter, and everything is mud around here. It's just water and mud. So that's why I've got a six-wheeler quad, is to get through the mud and that kind of stuff. It's going to be a tough one to get onto the paddocks. We had a lot of rain in the last 2 days. And then the other thing, if I get stuck, it's me and that ostrich male. That is a problem. But let's go and have a look. So the nest is just behind that edge there. I need to find a way to get through here. I think through here. I think through there it looks to be the best way. The problem is, if I get stuck, I have no way to pull myself out of here. Okay, I need to go through there. These eggs will definitely not be, they have drowned the eggs. Come on girl, come on, come on. Yeah, I can smell the eggs. and the male is on his way. So yeah, they are rotten. Oh. Okay. I have the eggs. I've got some food for her. See, it's full of water. The hole is full of water. Broken eggs. I need to leave some maize here. So this is the one thing that will keep them occupied while I make an escape. So I know the male is on his way. I saw him. He was coming. Here we go, folks. Oh, there he is. Two of them. Just want to leave some more maize for him. Here comes the male. There's the male just there. There's a water stream in front of him. Oh, he's looking for a way out. Okay, folks. I need to try and get back. I need to try and get back to the nest so we can stay with them. Hello, Lina. Hello. So one of the eggs broke, and the smell is well, that's a doozy. Bit of omelette. If anybody is after omelette. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That went really well compared to what I thought could be happen. Well folks, hope you enjoyed that. It went better than expected. I'm just happy that the females are off the eggs now. I'd just like to say thank you for all your support. For more videos on this side, subscribe here and see you on the next one.